So, narinig nyo na ba yung backrooms? Yung napaka-eerie and napaka-luminal space na itsura niya. So, ngayong video na to, lalaruin natin siya. So, yes, without further ado, simulan na natin siya. Na natin patagalin to. Let's go na. Level Hub. Opened after finding Level Hub in the backrooms. So, kailangan pa nating hanapin yung yung Level Hub. So, start na natin. Are you ready, guys? Ready na. Just a normal day. Oh, go to your basement. Okay. Where's the basement? Ooh, ganda naman ng bahay ko. Sa kaya yung basement? Oh, di pwede pumunta dito. May barrier block ko. Okay, dito daw tayo sa basement. Oh, di din pwede pumunta dito. Okay. Hanapin natin yung basement. Is this the basement? Okay, ganda ng mga design dito. Oh. Tana, kakasap na tayo, boy. Shit. Nasa lobby tayo. Wait, ang creepy nito, boy. Wait, what? Shit, ang creepy nito, boy. Nakalaman nito. Sapot. Okay, we're gonna get that. Welcome to home. What? Hello, Wanderer. If you're reading this, I'm assuming you just know clip in here. Welcome to your new home, internal dimension, or as they call it, the backrooms. Your chance of escaping are next to impossible, but there is a small chance you will. So here's some tips to help you explore. Those pressure plates are checkpoints, just in case anything unfortunately were to happen, so you don't be afraid to step on them. And it highly recommended you conserve your supplies. Okay. I keep that on mind. So, apak lang dito. Level 0. Okay. Shit, ang creepy, boy. Wait. Bro, paka-luminal space ni tsura nito, boy. Ah, what is this? Oh, okay. Wait, ano yun? Okay. Huh. Oh wait, is this the same room kanina? Yun dito? It is the same room, okay. Umikot lang. Ang galing. Okay, sige. Balik tayo dun. Yan. Shit. What the fuck? Pakatahimik. There's the hole here. Okay. Tapos, hindi ko alam kung saan tayo pupunta. Wait, what? Shit, biglang kinilabutan. Gago, lawak. Bro, what's that? Lawak, boy. Oh, there's a sign. May sign dito. Ah, gago. Yun na. Takin ako. Kinulab. Joke lang yun. Andun siya sa likod. I can't place this shit. I can't place those well. Why I can't place those well? I don't know. Don't ask me. Okay, now, should I go? Okay. Oh shit. Okay, nasa level 1 na tayo. Ano to? Habitable zone. Oh, okay. Okay. Huh. There's a papers here and rabbit. Kukunin ko lahat ng resources na makita ko. Kasi bakit di ko kukunin, di ba? Kaso, di rin pwede ma-place, oh. Oh, di siya talaga ma-place. Okay. What is this? Hail the Savior. Hail the Hatch thing. Okay. What the fuck? What is this place, though? Shit, wala pa akong pagkain, gago. Raiders. Oy, pag may gumalaw sa inyo, sinasabi ko sa inyo, ha? Wait, okay. Puro cobwebs naman. Can I craft? Oh wait, I can craft. Leather. Okay, kunin natin yung leather. Pook. Hindi muna tayo magsusulat. Journal. Day 139. The day's been going by as normal. We had run in the skin stealer this morning, but no casualties. More people have been going missing. I think we counted 56 members. I swear every time someone goes missing, I see them by that Cultus Santic plate, but they fade whenever I get close. I feel like something off, but there's no solid proof. They have to be behind this. I feel like they are coming for us. Okay, okay, walang pwedeng naman dyan. Ano nakasulat dito? Hail Saber has something. Okay. Ooh, there we go. That's what I'm saying. May pagkain. Yan ang kailangan ko, ya. Ha? Bag. Sino may kailangan ng bag, men? Ako. Suspicious too. Don't mind me if I do. Health yun! Dapat di ko muna kinain! So I think we're just gonna, explore this thing and tignan kung, wait lang, makatikmay ko. Tignan kung merong something dito. What was that? Oh, what the fuck is that? Okay, check natin tong mga room. Ooh, what is this? Wait, may something ba sa room na to? Wala, okay. What is this level, bro? Wait, ano tong level na to? Tumawag kasi yung tito ko, tapos bigla sila kumanak. Sorry. Ano bang lugar to, man? Puro gold yung laman. Susi. Level 2 key. Di ko alam kung anong tawag. Kung para sa... Bro. Why am I... What is this? Patiging ganyan yung... Uy. Okay, kailangan natin hanapin yung parang susian daw. Hello? Shit. Mas lumalala yung Mas lumalala yung slowness. Tignan nyo kung gaano ako katagal maglakad, man. Hello? Bro. What is this? Saan pwede susian dito? Shit. Nagiging gold tayo, gagi. What the frick? Ano, kailangan mapag dito? Hindi, ako hindi. Hello? Kailangan ba akong puntahan? Tama na akong pit. Midas touch. What is that supposed to mean, bro? What is that supposed to mean, bro? Hello? Can I place blocks here? No, hello? Shit. Bro. Gold engine. What is it supposed to mean? Near them. Yes, come to the gold. Oh, ang daya, umulit. Okay, sige, ulitin natin. Oh, here. Okay. Nandito tayo ulit. Okay, so, ang gagawin natin, puntahan yung pinuntahan natin kanina. Which is hindi ko na alam. Saan ba yun, bro? Okay, ano to? Wait, don't tell me ito yung... There's a level key. Oh shit, nakuha ko na yung level key. Async love. BKRMS doc. Doc 7. Subject level key. In this chest is a level key. Level key are used to enter their respective levels from the level hub. To get to the level hub, you must complete a maze in level 1. Dr. Nizzle. So, kailangan pa natin pumunta sa level 1 ulit. Okay. Saan nga yung dinaanan natin kanina? Kasi nabol tayo ng kupal eh. Okay. Dito yung pressure plate. So, saan ba tayo dumiretso kanina? Diba dito? So, dito tayo. Wala naman dyan. Saan ba yun? Doon? Dito? Where? Here? Oh wait, I see. Parang nakita ko na. I don't know where I'm... Oh, I see. Kita ko na. So, kailan lang ulit natin pumunta dito sa somewhere. Dun sa may mga sign. Kasi dito tayo hinabol eh. Pupunta dun. So, kailan ulit natin magpahabol dito. Ayun. So, pumunta... Nasa gilid ko! Bilis mo! Bastos! So, kailan ulit natin pumunta dito. Sa may mga ilaw. Ayun siya oh. She my god. Fuck you bro. Na. We're gonna run ulit. Namamatay siya dun. Sira ulo ba yun? And dito na tayo sa level 1. So, hanapin daw natin yung maze dito. And wag na tayong pumunta sa may gold. Kasi buwiset yun. So, dito tayo nang galing nung nakaraan. Chinek natin tong armor na to. Pumunta tayo dun. Which is nandyan yung gold. Kaya ayokong pumunta dyan. So, kung dito naman tayo pupunta, ano meron dito? Oh, it's a tenting. Okay. Wait, pwede ba natin i-fill up tong bottles na nakuha ko dito? Hindi pwede. Ba yan? So now, gagawin natin, hanapin daw na... Cultus Santic. What is that supposed to mean, bro? Hello? Daming red thingy. Red dust tuloy. Yung redstone. Ba't di ba pwede makuha to? Gandang armor oh. Gawa sa leather. Okay, ano ba yung nakalagay dito? The Santi has given us a message. He who finds the broken door will think he can escape no more. But if you find the electric box, the light shall dim and clear the roadblock. Okay, that's a riddle. So, ang sabi dito, pag nahanap mo daw yung broken door, hindi ka na makaka-escape. Pero pag nahanap mo naman yung electric box, yung lights is magdidim. Light shall dim and clear the roadblocks. So, kailangan natin maghanap ng electric blocks. That's supposed to mean. Okay then. Okay. Hanap tayo ng electric blocks. Paano natin hahanapin yun? Di ko alam. Uy! Rickroll! Never gonna give you up. Secret door? Nope. Okay. Was that the end of this thing? More things. Okay. So dahil wala dito sa side na to, doon tayo. Hindi na pala ako naka-shader. Kasi malag. Hindi na kaya ng device ko. Okay. And what is this? Yan pala yung unang chest na check natin, no? Naglo-loading yung chunks kaya may second floor! Ngayon ko lang nalaman na may second floor. Okay. Is this the broken door thingy? Is this supposed to be the broken door? Nah, I'm not gonna go in there, bro. Di tayo po. Okay, kung di nyo narinig yun, may tumunog dun. And that's creepy. Siyempre, hindi tayo po. Okay, siguro dito tayo pupunta. Ihanda ko lang tong stone na to. Lo! Bumalik sa level 0. Papakabastos naman. Okay. So dahil nang galing tayo doon, dito naman tayo. Kasi binalik lang tayo, pakabastos. Yun nga yung broken door. So ang kailangan nating hanapin, yung electric box. Okay. Parang nagigets ko na yung laro. Ewan kung saan ba nakatago yung kupal na electric box na yan. Pero kukunin ko lahat ng loot dito. Puno na. Context, ginulat ako nung lumilipad na tingi. Buiset. May mga something ba sa painting na to? Wala naman. Okay. I am so freaking confused right now. Ano mga laman nito? Pagkain. Okay, ikaw na beetle ka. Kanina ka palipad ng lip. Oh, ito na ba yung electric box? Ano kaya mangyayari pag finip ko yung lever? Bro. Nawala yung ilaw gago. Pwede ba i-switch ulit? Can I switch it again? No? Okay. Hello. Guys, wala tong hagdan dito kanina. Okay, should I go up now? What? Huh? Susi. Level 1 key. Saan ko gagamitin to?
Whatever you do at the crossroads, don't turn left.
Kaya magle-left tayo. Joke lang. Right tayo. Okay. Okay, sabi nga nila, never turn left. Nag-right ako. Bro. Dito yung magle-left tayo. Right ulit. Oh, there's a door here. Okay. A, B. Shit. Ano to? Question and answer? Ano to? Ito maliwanag. Ito hindi. Kaya dito tayo sa maliwanag. Paano pag dun sa madilim? Hindi. Dead end yan, no? Oh, dead end yan. Mali yan. Dito tayo. I'm cheating, bro. Sorry. Why am I cheating, bro? Ay, mali yun. Walking na. Oh, balik tayo ulit. Tapos, right. Next, dito tayo sa B. A or B? Asan yung maliwanag or hindi? Ini mo. Sino ang pipiliin ko? Okay, sa A tayo. I think it's a good idea kung mag-B tayo. Or babalik na din tayo kasi hindi siya madilim. Kasi kanina, nung pupunta tayo dun sa maliwanag, binalik tayo dun sa level 1. So, ang gagawin natin, dun tayo sa madilim. Please, tama to. Tama. Anonymous The hub. Ito yung kanina. Yung sa simula, di ba?
You had
Sige. Ano to? Level 0. Wait, is this the keys here? Ayoko na bumalik sa level 0, pre. Level 1. Yan yung nandito. Ay, bastos. May barrier block. Okay, sige, dito tayo. Kasi kung level 1 dito, dito yung level 2. Can I? Shit. Pumasok ako. Pakapupal, sorry. Dito tayo sa maliwanag. Ano to? Parang backrooms pero magulo. Yung level 2. Level 2. Oh, level 2 nga. Pipe dreams. Ah! Hindi ko alam yun. Okay. Walang ano dyan. Is this si gold? Alam ko na yan eh. Babalik tayo dun sa una. I'm not gonna go there, bro. Kasi yun yung sa may gold. Diba? Yung magiging slow, susot niya tayo ng gold armor. Tapos, tsaka tayo magiging bato or ewan. Slow falling. Para saan to? I mean, why would you like slow falling here? I'm gonna take it though. Kasi bakit di natin kukunin, diba? Na tayo eh. Kupal tayo eh. Magnanakaw tayo eh. Okay, where are we gonna go now? Okay. Wait, parang may something dito. Wala, okay. Nakakaba naman dito, man. Purang di... Ooh. What is this? What is a void like? Okay, that's weird. Wait, is that a chest? Is that a chest? Don't know. It is a chest, okay. Nakuha na natin ano. Naman, tanggalin na natin tong mga blocks na yun kasi di ko naman talaga nagkagamit yun. Ito, slow falling. Pero ba tayong bumaba dun? Should we go down? Kasi nakuha ko na yung susi sa level 2. So, pwede na tayong bumalik. Wala namang ETT na nagpapakita. Nakasulat. Fire exit. Are you sure this is a fire exit? No, I'm not gonna trust that. Should we go down here? May akyatan ba? May akyatan ba? Okay, buti bumaba tayo. I think this is the door. Fire door. Okay, nasa level 3 na tayo. Okay, what is this? Electrical station. So far wala pa rin naman nagpapakita. Nasa level 3 na tayo pero. Ano yung pangalan nung Pangalan nung book? Stupid Gate. Do you mean this thing? I've been trying to get this gate open for days. I've stopped eating. I can't risk doing anything that could turn me into one of them. I've tried communicating with them, but they only growl and attack. Shit, umaatake sila. Return level. Level 3. Okay. Kati talaga ng kamay ko. Oh my god. Ooh, I can play with them. Okay. Ooh. Is this a chest? No, it's not a chest. Ang lawak pala na ito. Huh. Wala namang sa... may chest dito. 4. Okay, may pattern tayong pupuntahan. Okay, 4. Hanapin natin yung mga... Andito ka na naman. Guys, kita nyo to? Tong beetle na to. Kanina pa to eh. Tinapon, bastos. Okay, there's E. Oh, nakuha na yung level 3. Susi agad. Kinaig. Level 3 na susi. Oh, dyan ka muna sa ano ko. Where are we gonna go now? So, nahanap natin yung isang code. Which is number 4. Nasa gitna daw yung number 4. Pangalawang number. Hanapin pa natin yung iba. Hello, chest? Is there any chest here? Okay, bumalik tayo dun sa spawn. Which is checkpoint. Sabi nila kanina, checkpoint daw yun. Okay. Hulaan ko. Ito yung higaan nila. That. What do you mean that? Day 10. I'm leaving the camp. I can't stay here unless I'll turn into that. May tumunog. Kung hindi nyo narinig yun, narinig ko. The others have changed. They're not humans. Their skin has stretched. Their eyes are hollowed out. I'm going to try and open that gate. It looks like there's an escape on the other side. Ang galing ko magbasa, men. Ooh, food. Thank you. Another suspicious 2. 7. Okay, we got the code here. We got a code here. And also, tanggalin ko na nga itong mga tirawan ng 3. I guess 3. That would be good. Okay. Yung code natin, ilagay natin dito. Blank 47 blank. Hanapin natin yung code. Let's find those code. And also, ang creepy nung nabasa ko. There's an item frames anywhere. Oh, chest. 2. Okay, we got a 2. We got 2, 4, 7. Okay, last one. Hanapin natin isa. Two four seven three. Takbo na. Bilisan mo ba? May magpakita pa eh. Okay, nanggaling na tayo dito kanina. Wait, naliligaw ako. Saglit. Let me, yun. So, code is 2473. So, 2473. Oh, the gate is open. Wait. Tara na. Oh shit, ano to? Level 4. Abandoned office. Okay, ano yung umuulan? Ay, umuulan, kago. Umuulan dito sa Minecraft. Okay, Greg. Hey, new wanderer. Are you willing to join the Backrooms Analytical Squadron? Oh, you want to leave? Well then, I'm pretty sure that's something to do with those vending machines. Good luck. Oh. You give me a clue. Thanks for the food. Okay, lagay. Yan, okay. So, sabi niya, may something daw sa mga vending machine. So, ang gagawin natin, check natin lahat ng vending machine. Kasi bakit di natin check, diba? Tinitingin mo. Kita ko yun. Ha? Pwede mo yung saktan? Diba, hindi pwede manakit. Vending machine. Okay. Umuulan nga. What? Ano? Wait, ang taas naman natin. Wait. Is this my personal computer? Hey, computer tayo. Napakanas ng mga nag-design na ito. There's another vending machine here. Wala lang kwenta. What's this? Steven. Behold my super fantastic Ford. How to leave? Those vending machine, I think. Yeah. It is. Some of them don't work though. So, just press everyone till it works. Yeah. Yun yung tinatry kong gawin. Okay. Okay, hindi ko makana yun. Why there's doors there? Okay. Okay. Apaka angas naman ng vending machine na yun. Tago. Oh, may chest. We got the 4 key, bro. We got the 4 key. Yes, sir. Okay. So, napunta na natin yung doon ng part. Dito naman tayo. Damn, ang lawak. Wow, what is this? So, there's a vending machine over here. Alam ko na yan. Itong gold na to, pag lumapit ka dyan, babalik ka dun sa may room kung saan nagiging gold ka. Hell na. Okay, that's not, that shit don't work. Okay, that didn't work though. Okay, walang. Huh. Hello. Holy shit. Ilan to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Okay, we need to tap them on. Oh, wala nangyari. Sira ulo din pala to eh. Okay, so wala na to. Bukas na, ano to? Should I tap it? Wait, kinarabutan ako bigla. Luminal ending. More level soon. Very good. Natapos natin yung level. And bukas na to. See? Shit, bumalik tayo dun sa may ano. Okay, so sana naman guys nag-enjoy kayo. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, mag-follow lang kayo dito sa TikTok account ko. And mag-subscribe na rin kayo dito sa YouTube for more videos. And see you guys in the next one. Peace out.